Today we're going to be talking about oceans, and in particular, the midnight zone. The majority of Earth is covered by huge areas of salt water we call oceans. Fact! Humans have only discovered 5% of the world's oceans. Isn't that crazy? All that stuff that we do not know anything about. Today I'm going to tell you about the midnight zone. The ocean is put into 3 classifications of depth. Number 1. The first section is the sunlit zone, where animals like turtles, sharks, and jellyfish roam. Number 2. 180 meters underwater is the twilight zone, where animals like whales and squid roam. Number 3. 1,000 meters underwater is the midnight zone, where animals like gulper eels and anglerfish roam. The sunlit zone is where we go swimming. It's blue water, it's very nice and clear most of the time, hopefully. And the twilight zone though is very dark. All you can see is a faint eerie glow of blue. And the midnight zone is pitch black. You can't see anything down there. So there I talked about the different levels of the ocean. Now I'm going to talk to you about submersibles. Humans can explore the midnight zone with underwater crafts called submersibles. Submersibles are equipped with powerful lights and cameras. They have claws and diggers to take samples of water and animals. Sometimes also rocks, mud, sand, basically anything they can find down there. That's about submersibles. Now we're going to talk about the water's weight. Water is very heavy, and seeing how much water in the ocean's water must be incredibly heavy. The weight of the water presses down on the ocean floor, and the weight puts enormous pressure on whatever lives or goes down there. If you dived into the midnight zone with just an ordinary submarine, it would be crushed by the pressure of the water. The walls of a submersible have to be very strong to keep it from being crushed. You must be thinking, if it can crush submarines, don't you think it would crush all the fish and animals that live down there? The answer to that is that the bodies of the deep sea animals are mostly made of water. Water is a liquid and you cannot crush a liquid. So the water in an animal's body is pressure proof. And now we're going to talk about how the animals see in the midnight zone. The reason animals can see in the midnight zone is because of a light made by the animals called bioluminescence. It usually works by mixing oxygen with chemicals called luciferin and luciferase. I think that's how you pronounce them anyway. This happens inside the animal's photophorus. By controlling how the substances are mixed, the animal can make the lights flash on and off. That is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!